Hi, I'm Dr. Ron Miller, and I'm one of the lead sciatica experts here at Pursuit Physical Therapy. And we're going to show you exactly how you can solve the root cause of your sciatica pain and get back to your favorite activities and the things that you love to do. So, this lecture is going to be for you if you're looking for the best sciatica treatment. We don't do any standard care treatments. We don't do or waste time with treatments that aren't proven to work. We want to do the most evidence-based interventions for sciatica that get you the long-term results. If you're looking for the high quality patient care, again, we believe that treatment needs to be standardized, customized, not standardized. So we're not like standard healthcare where you're going to get double and triple booked, or you're going to get fed modalities and stim units and things that aren't proven to work. We believe that treatment needs to be customized and specific for your type of sciatica and not just a generalized cookie cutter approach. Also, if you want to get pain free fast, we have a new innovative treatment approach that our business goal is to get you pain free in the fewest amount of sessions, not to keep you here 3 times a week for 4 weeks or to keep you here coming back every month for eternity. That we want you to get you pain free in the fewest amount of sessions because we believe that we owe it to you to do what's best for you to get you pain free again. So this is an example case of sciatica here where Raul went to multiple clinics. He failed multiple different treatment approaches. He was still able to come here and be able to get the results that he wanted, get pain free and back to exercising and feeling good again. If you want to read some more testimonials and see what other patients have said, you can just keep on scrolling down below this video. So who are we? You're probably like, who is this guy? Why do I even have to listen to him? But we are Pursuit Physical Therapy. We're actually the #1 ranked clinic here in Orlando. If you don't believe us, just Google us then. And we have over 250 5-star patient testimonials. It's a small team, personalized one-on-one care with only board certified experts. We don't double or triple book patients. And we have no techs or assistants. So the therapist that does the eval is going to be with you throughout your whole plan of care until you get the results that you want at the end. Our one unique thing that we're so confident in our treatment approaches that we actually have a money back guarantee. And we're the only clinic in Orlando that actually offers a money back guarantee. Again, we believe that it's not right to ask you to pay money for treatment if you're not getting results. So we do offer with our packages a money back guarantee. So in the first 2 to 4 sessions or the first 2 weeks, if you feel that you're not getting the results you want or we're not making a change, we will give you a full refund, no questions asked. So this is new. Most clinics don't do this, but we feel confident in our treatment approach. And with whatever treatment that you do, you should notice in 2 weeks whether treatment's working. You don't have to wait weeks or months for to know whether treatment's working or not. In the first 2 weeks, you should know whether treatment's working or not. So what are the 3 main steps or the 3 main phases that you need to learn to get pain-free and to get rid of your sciatica? So we break this down into 3 main phases. So phase 1 is here. The goal is to solve the root cause of your pain. If you forget everything in this lecture, just remember one thing: solve the root cause of your sciatica. So in phase 1 and during the eval, this is the most important step because once you solve that root cause, you can customize treatment based off of that root cause. So again, we don't do a standardized cookie cutter treatment approach where everyone gets the same exercises. We want to do the exercises or the treatments that are best for you to get you pain-free fastest. So in phase 1, you solve the root cause of your sciatica, and you should see a 50% reduction in pain in the first 2 weeks, probably. This is where pain starts going down, and that proves that our treatment's working. This is not the phase where you're going to do a lot of exercise and strengthening. You may add a little bit of light strengthening, but that's it. Right now, the goal in phase 1 is to solve the root cause and to get pain down. So the main point of phase 1 is you got to solve the root cause of your pain. If you're getting treated for sciatica and it's actually an SI joint problem, but they're treating your lumbar spine, which is your low back, you're missing the root cause. So you have to solve the root cause. Phase 2, in phase 2, your pain's going to keep on going down, but now you're going to have an increase in flexibility or mobility. So your range of motion is going to start to increase. Now there should be a direct correlation with an increase in flexibility with a decrease in pain. And like a sciatica, your sciatica should be centralized by now, meaning your leg pain is gone and maybe you only have some back and glute pain right now. You shouldn't be having any flare-ups, and now you can start doing some more strengthening and getting your strength back. So the main point here is there's a concept of the pain's going to keep on going down as your mobility is going to go up and your flexibility goes up. Okay. In phase 3, this is where you should be pain-free now. You should maximize your flexibility, and now you can make some strength progressions to get all of your strength back to where it was prior to the injury. And now you're going to start returning to sport here, whether it's return to running, return to tennis, return to your favorite activities, and make sure that you're not getting flare-ups. Okay, so the key point with this is if you solve the root cause, you should be able to go back to your activity without the flare-up. Okay, so you're pain-free with returning to tennis, returning to baseball, returning to lifting or running, whatever you're doing. So if you solve the root cause, you should not get the flare-up. If you go through treatments and it's like, I feel good, but then it comes back, and it feels good, then it comes back, and it feels good, then it comes back, you missed the root cause of your sciatica. So this is another example here. Well, Terry actually went in for surgery for sciatica, and after the surgery, she still had sciatica. So this is another example that they missed the root cause of her sciatica. They did a fusion surgery at a certain level. It wasn't the right level, and she still had the sciatica pain. Luckily, she was able to find us. We were able to get her in. We solved the root cause without needing surgery, and she got back to pain-free without having sciatica and back to her walking program, even though the surgery failed her. So what is the first step for you to get pain-free today? The first step is to do the pursuit evaluation. And this is most essential because this is where you'll solve the root cause. Okay, so what do you get with a evaluation? So what we do here is different than most. We have a very comprehensive way of treating things, and we do want to do a thorough and provide a lot of value for you. So you get all of your questions answered and you know exactly what is going on. So our evals are 60 minutes with a board certified specialist. Remember, we don't have any techs, we don't have any assistants. It's one-on-one care the whole time with you and your treating physiotherapist. We solve the root cause of your pain, and we like to go over underlying impairments or risk factors of why it's not going away. This is essential to get that long-term outcome and get pain-free again. You'll learn what is the best and most effective way to treat your type of sciatica, and you'll also get an accurate timeline on when to expect results. By 2 weeks, I expect this. A 50% reduction in pain. By 4 weeks, I expect this. By 6 weeks, I expect you back to being in sport, pain-free, ready to go. So you'll get a customized timeline so you know exactly what to expect. And again, we don't do a cookie cutter treatment approach here. We like to customize treatment, not standardize it. So you'll get a customized treatment plan. You're also going to get a recovery phase outline, so you'll know exactly what phase that you're in throughout your whole process of treatment. It's 2022. When I'm shooting this, it's time to take advantage of technology. And I hate the ability when you want to ask your doctor or your physician a question, but there's no way to communicate there. You actually get 24/7 unlimited messaging access to your doctor of physiotherapy. So if you have a question, you can grab your phone, sit there, text them, and ask a question about your home program, ask a question about symptoms. You have instant access with your doctor of physiotherapy. We have easy and effective communication with our front desk. This is our concierge specialist. If you're running late, you can shoot us a text. If you're needing to change your schedule, you can shoot us a text or give us a call. It's time to take advantage of technology. So we actually have flexible and convenient scheduling. I hate it when people say I can't get in to see my physician for like 2 months. We like to try to get patients in within the week. We don't want patients waiting longer than a week being in pain. And then we don't have waiting times. That's another thing that bothers me. When you have an appointment scheduled for 11, but you don't see the physician until 12:30, not here. If you're scheduled for 11 o'clock, you will be seen at 11 o'clock here. So again, we like to take a comprehensive treatment approach here. You also get same-day treatment during the evaluation. There's no sense in telling you what's wrong but not doing anything about it. So we do like to do some treatment on day one. And you'll also get a video-based home program that you can get started on at home to help expedite results and to get you some relief on day one. You also get any kind of mobility equipment that you may need, whether it's a ball, mobility band, and like a foam roll and stuff like that. That's all given to you for no additional cost. Plus, our packages, we have a money back guarantee. So if you feel that you're not getting results, you're not responding to treatment for any reason in the first 2 weeks or the first 2 to 4 sessions, you get a full refund. So we believe it's not right to ask you to pay money if you're not getting a result. So you get all this with our pursuit evaluation, and our evals are $165. So we're straight up front. There's no hidden fees or no hidden costs here. It's $165 for the eval, and you get all of that for only $165. So let's break down like a real life case of sciatica, and we'll show you what's actually going on here. So Julie had sciatica. She had sciatica for like 6 months. She consulted with 3 different physicians, and all 3 physicians wanted to do surgery on it. And then she found us online. She consulted with us. We solved the root cause of her sciatica, which I believe was a herniated disc. We were able to do a customized treatment approach to her. She fully centralized. We got her pain down. She went through each phase. She got her strength back, and then we returned her to sport, which was running and power walking. And we got her actually pain-free without needing surgery. And she's back fully functioning, back to her activities, and she got her life back. So not everyone needs surgery with sciatica, especially if you can make a change in like 2 weeks, whether it's a herniated disc, whether it's SI joint pain, whether it's piriformis syndrome, stenosis. Not everyone needs surgery, and in 2 weeks you should know whether treatments work or not. So if you're ready to get started, you can give us a call or a text at 407-494-8835. If you have more questions about us, to see our treatment approach, to see what other patients who had sciatica are saying about their results and their experience here, or if you just want to find out more about the team, you can keep on scrolling down. If not, if you have any questions, we would love the opportunity to help out. You can give us a call or text anytime, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks.